Hello everyone, welcome you all on the Knowledge Pivot channel. This video is part 12 of the GA question series of RRB NTPC 2021 exam. Question number 1 is who founded Twitter? So Twitter was founded by Jack Dorsey, Noah Glass and Biz Stone. So the correct answer is option number D. Which state in India has the highest forest cover? So Madhya Pradesh has the highest forest cover. Dash is a unit of length, roughly the distance from Earth to the Sun. So the correct answer is astronomical unit. Kelvin is the unit of temperature. Joule is the unit of energy. What is the name of the process where gas is directly converted to solids? So it is sublimation. Evaporation is the process where a solid is converted to the liquid. In which city is the newly proposed AIMS is to be set up in Maharashtra? So it is in Nagpur. Which vaccine is primarily used against TB, tuberculosis? So it's BCG vaccine. Which of the following Prime Minister was awarded Bharat Ratna? So it's Morarji Desai was awarded the Bharat Ratna award in 1991. How much salt is present in our body? So in our body there are many salts are present, out of which the prominent one is sodium chloride and it is 0.4 percentage. What is the old name of Singapore? So it's Temasek. What is the name of the moon of Pluto? So it's Charon. What was the element used in the traditional thermometers which is highly toxic in nature? So it is mercury. Which of the following was built by the ancient Inca Empire? So was an empire and it built the Machu Picchu. It is in Peru. In which year was the Aam Aadmi Party founded? So it was founded in 2nd of October 2012. A spoon which looks bent is an example of, so it's an example of refraction of light. Who discovered radioactivity? Radioactivity was discovered by Henry Becquerel. What is special about a sword-billed hummingbird? So its bill is longer than rest of its body. Who devised the policy of doctrine of lapse? So Lord Dalhousie devised the policy of doctrine of lapse. When was the Battle of Jallianwala fought? So it was fought between the British and the Khalsa army near the bank of river Jhelum on 1849. Which of the following is a temple built out of marble by Vimal Shah? So it was Dilwara temple in Mount Abu, Rajasthan. Who was the first Indian badminton player to win the men's singles title at the All England Championship in 1980? So it was Prakash Padukone. What is income available with a person after deducting for taxes called? So income after deduction of taxes is called disposable income. Which of the following was the first supercomputer developed in 1976? So it was Cray 1, which was manufactured and marketed by the Cray Research. Cray 1 was the first supercomputer of world. Param 8000 was the first supercomputer of India. Which series is India's first supercomputer developed in Pune? So it is Param. Param 8000, launched on July 1st, 1991, was first supercomputer of India. Who propounded the homeopathic principles of like cures like? So he was Samuel Hahnemann. Which dynasty had its capital at Chittorgarh? So the Sisodia dynasty of Rajput clan has its capital at Chittorgarh. With which sport is the term freestyle connected with? So it was connected with swimming. Who is considered as the greatest of the early Chola king? So Karikala was a Tamil Chola king who ruled southern India. Chola, Chera, Pandya are the dynasties of south. Mass per unit volume is called, so the mass per unit volume is known as density. Next question is the BRICS Development Bank is now called as, the big bank includes Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa countries. Now the BRIC is now known as NDB, New Development Bank. Which among the following is not a qualification to become a vice president of India? So he should be a citizen of India, correct? He should be about 35 years of age, correct? He should be the member of Rajya Sabha. He should not necessarily possess the membership of Lok Sabha. The name of our planet Earth originates from which language? So it originates from the German and the Greek language. Which of the following is a good source of vitamin A? So it's carrot. It is a good source of vitamin A. Which of the following state in India has the highest area under mangrove? So it is in West Bengal because of the Sundarban forest there. Thank you all. Please like and subscribe my channel for more videos which will help you in your preparation.